Hello everybody, I am live and what I'm going to be doing today is face proportions. I'll just see if anybody comes on or anybody I can see coming on. So what I want to do really for face proportions. Hiya, hello. I'm doing an exercise on face proportions because people have asked me about that and I'm going to make a start and it's really simple this. So I'll start up here and what you want to do is create yourself a box. Now, the best way to start is to start at the top there, and then if that's and then we make a basically a square as best you can a square. If you need to measure those out, then do that. But in the centre of it, we want to go straight down with a line like that. Between these 2 points here, we want to put a centre line there, and between these 2 points here, we want to put another centre line. That is then going to extend down like that. Hello everybody who's coming in, and we want to again a square like that. So does it look like a face yet? I don't think so. Great. Hi everybody coming. Hi Angie. All right. What I'm doing is basically showing people about the proportions of a face and an easy way to get it because a lot of people struggle with it. I've created a square. I've created another square underneath it by halving that, and that's as far as we've got. What I want to then do is cut that into a square, and then this portion here we want to again cut in half again. And same with this, we want to go an halfway and then another halfway. You see this line here? That corresponds to where your eye is going to be. So we're going to go to here now, which is the halfway point of that and halfway point of that, and we'll go up like that. Strangely enough, that's where your nose is, and then it's not exactly like that, but that's where your brow is of your eye. Now in there, halfway, we want again to put another line and another line, and in there is where your eye will go. From there to there, halfway again, that's where that'll go, your mouth. And then all you have to do then is go like that. And that will give you a basic proportion of your face. So I'll go over this again for those of you who've just come in, and we'll do it a little bit bigger here now. So basically what I did is I decided that I wanted a straight line there and another parallel line with it, and we've created a square like that. In the center, straight down, and then in the 2 points there, straight down again, and make that into a square again. Then you come to the center of this square, and then again you half that, come to the top of this square here, make a point there and a point there. That goes up like that and round like that, and that's the area where your brow would be again. And in this bit here, that needs to be halved, and that's where your area where your face would be. Again, exactly the same. Half that, and then half that again. And there you have it. You've got a face that's correctly proportioned. I hope this has helped people out that were thinking about this particular thing. That's one easy way of doing it. So if you practice this particular exercise, you'll get your proportions a lot easier than trying to guess at it. I mean, alternatively, you can use one of those special rulers that will help you out, but without having any other equipment other than your pencil and your paper, this is one of the best ways to do it. So thank you for coming on, everybody, and having a look, and we'll see you again for another tip when I've got time, and thanks for calling in.